Hello, hello, all of you beautiful faces. So today, since I am reviewing a product for a company, I'm going straight into the review today because I'm going to have to do a little demonstrating in this to show you this bad boy. But this was sent to me from a company called Natural Born. They sell their products on Amazon.com and they asked me to review this product. I have to tell you, so far they're the most pleasant company because they just send you the product right out, and you don't have to go through all the rigmarole of what other companies have you do to review their products. They just sent this right to me, and Natural Born, I just want to say thank you for choosing me to do this for you, because I do not take that lightly, and I am truly, truly grateful. And this is really something too, because I'm not kidding. I used to pray for something like this when I used to do nails. I'm not kidding. I used to do nails, you guys. When I started in 8th grade is when I started doing my own nails. I'm a self-taught nail artist. I have been doing acrylic nails since 8th grade, so since I was like 14. And I used to go to people's houses and travel to them to do their nails. So I had like a customized service. And I used to have to carry polishes with me. And let me tell you, I wish they had something like this at the time, but they didn't. And so this is really amazing. It has this cool little thing. It just snaps right on like this. On this one side, you lift it up. And here it holds 24 polishes on just this side alone. Then you flip it over and it opens exactly the same way on the other side, which is amazing. And it also comes with some toe separators, which, hello, is, you can never have enough of these, because how many of you girls lose these? And then you have one, you got to switch toe to toe, which I hate that. It also comes with some little things to put in here for smaller ones. If you want to make the thing smaller for smaller little baby things, then you can adjust it here, which is really nice. Actually, I might as well just leave those there. I think I'm putting him in the wrong way though, because it's not going flat. There we go, that's flat. So we're going to put some nail polishes in here. I'm going to show you how this works. And it is not the easiest thing to do because it is a big thing, but so you just take a polish, look at this, like, and I mean, it's really kind of very simple. What I would probably do is line them up by brand. Now these are a little bit smaller. I did want to bring different sizes of polishes to show you. So they do give you plenty of room in case you have like a tall bottle like this. Look, the Sally Hansen is the tallest bottle so far. You just put the polishes in. What is amazing, they go right in. I love it when you seal it up. I have to take the little plastic thing out, or little paper. It just locks into position. What is amazing about this is that you don't have to have your polishes sitting out. This holds 48 bottles, you guys, and then you just tuck this right under your bed and you've got it out of the way. But when you want to choose a polish, what I love about it is that you can look and see all the colors right off the front, and then you just flip it over and then you will see the ones on the back. Now I hope that this sticker thing comes off easily. Let's see, because I'm going to be honest with you, if it ruined the front of this, that would, but look, it's coming off like a dream, and it leaves it perfectly clean, no tacky things. And then you can put polishes on both sides of this. I think it's absolutely amazing. And some of the polishes, I have some bottles that are literally so small that you could line up 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, and just stack them just like that right there in one of the compartments. But honestly, you guys, I have up on my wall, literally hanging on my wall. Maybe I can show you guys. Let me see if I can show you. See, there's my nail polish racks right up there on the wall. And those are handy and they're great. But the one thing I noticed about them that I did not like is I can't see the colors. And I have to pick them up and look at every single bottle. And I was like, Lord, I really need a better way to store nail polishes. I had them in a drawer before and I'd have to do the same thing. I'd have to pull them out of the drawer. And unless you're laying them flat where you pull the drawer out, but that is really takes up a lot of space. When you have long nails like me, I like to have a lot of choices. I have racks and racks like that that I have to go through. And it's not convenient because I have limited wall space in my house. So I was sent this one, and the really great thing about Natural Born is they gave me one to give away. So anybody in this video who comments on this video is going to have a chance to win one of these bad boys. And I really think that's amazing. They sent me this. There is going to be a code down below for anybody who wants to purchase this that doesn't win it to get 10% off. The code is Pamela's10, and the code will be linked down the video below, and you can just go to Amazon and get 10% off of this. I do believe the price is $18.99 if I'm remembering correctly. I am seeing, I see that it doesn't show, it just shows the, but I'm pretty sure, I'm positive about that. I'm pretty sure it was $18.99 for this. Look, if I'm wrong about that, you guys, I will put the correct price link down below in this video with the link where you can click right on Amazon and go purchase it. This is really amazing. It is not going to be like so heavy that you couldn't carry it, but let me tell you, this thing is solid. And I love, look, I can stick this right under my desk, standing straight up like this, and it does not take up lots of space. And I love that I can see all the colors. Then I just flip it over and I'd be able to see the other colors on the other side. And I am actually going to literally fill this bad boy up, and I am going to show you what it will look like on both sides with it full. And I will actually use that as my thumbnail so you guys can see what it looks like filled and how I got it arranged. But I honestly think I'm going to get a couple more, and I'm going to just shove them under my bed and store them there. And I absolutely love it. I'm not kidding. I am thrilled to get this. And I just am so thankful to Natural Born for considering me to review this product. You guys know I will tell you the truth. I am not giving this company a good review because they sent this to me for free. This is something that I would have loved to have years ago. I am not kidding. I was like, I can't believe. And I almost literally, if I would have known how to do it, I would have designed this years ago, back in the 80s. When I was doing nails, because I traveled place to place. And what's awesome is if, you know, you're a young gal and you go spend the night and you guys are going to go have a slumber party at your girlfriend's house and you want to do nails and stuff, you can just carry this with you and have every single thing you need right there. You can actually also take Q-tips and put them in one. You can put your cotton rounds in another one, or cotton balls, and then you can actually get one of the little like 2-ounce bottles and put nail polish remover in a 2-ounce bottle and put it right in this slot right here, and have nail polish remover, cotton rounds, and the little Q-tips for when you make up a mistake, you can dip it in your and clean up your mess on your nails. This is also amazing because a lot of people have the little, you know, they come in little sheets of the little white things for if you want to do the tip of your nail a different color. These slots are big enough to store all of your little adhesive stickers. I actually have rolls of tape that you can do designs across your nails that will fit perfectly right in one of these slots. So the sky is the limit with this, you guys. You can actually put all of your nail supplies in here. The only thing that will not fit is, and actually that's not even true, because let me tell you right here, you guys, where these are, I'm going to do it on this side. This comes out, this comes out, this comes out, and this comes out right here. So you've got a full set right here, and you can store your nail files right here. So you could actually, if you are a nail artist and you actually do travel and do nail acrylics, you can actually keep all your nail files right here as well. So this actually fits far more than just nail polishes, you guys. And let me tell you, think outside the box, ladies, because I'm going to grab something right now and show it to you. Pardon my waist and my belt and all that, but let me get you to think outside the box right now. This is a 15 milliliter essential oil that goes right there as well. And let me tell you, these I store like this, so you can store them sideways without them leaking, because the lids are supposed to keep them from leaking. And you can actually even use it for essential oils and have it stored in plastic. So look, you can use this for tools, you can use this for drill bits, you could use this thing for so many things. And if you're a makeup artist, think of what you could do. Look at this, you guys. Let me show you right now. Let's just really think outside the box. Right now I have these Revolution Beauty liquid foils that I had tucked away that I had forgot to take out and put into my kits. You guys saw me do the Color Pop kits. Well, look at this. Here's a single shadow, ladies. Look at that. Now you could line up probably 4 single shadows right here in one thing and actually have it for people who are makeup artists. This is an amazing way to carry your single shadows and have it in hand. You can put your Color Pop Super Shocks in here. Anything that is that size will fit in here perfectly. And if they're a little bit bigger, I don't know if it would close, but no, I guess they would have to be the size. But look at 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 times 7, that's 28 single shadows in just one row. You still have plenty of room for nail polish and other things, but you can think outside the box, you guys, because you could use this for many other things than just nail polish. So I just want to say thank you to Natural Born for choosing me to do this, because you guys literally gave me an answer to prayer in choosing me to review this product for you. So to you, Natural Born, I just say thank you, and I pray that God blesses your company, and I hope that I can review more products for you. If anybody has any questions, just leave it down below in the questions. I will help you the best that I can. But you guys know I will tell you the truth about a product. If I do not like it, I will tell you, and I'm in love with this project. I cannot wait, because I'm going to actually get my wall back where I have picture and art that I want to hang up there. I don't like how busy it looks. I'm so excited to get that back, and I am not kidding. I am going to get a couple more of these little nail thingies and have them just before my birthday, which is coming up. So praise the Lord for that. So Natural Born, thank you for choosing me. And you guys, leave a comment. If you want to win this, leave a comment down below. One person's going to win this kit. I love you guys, and I pray that God keeps you safe in this crazy, crazy world we live in. Bye.